This is how you can add instruments into your drum loop beat using the BandLab Mobile app.
Here is the drum beat that I made on my previous video. Make sure to turn on MIDI overdub and quantization in the preferences for a better result. Now let's add a virtual instrument starting with a bass sound by selecting electric bass category. You can play and preview how it sounds by pressing the play icon. Tap on the name of the sound to download or load the sound. You can play with the virtual piano keys to build musical ideas or practice before recording. Start the recording when you are ready. Now let's add another virtual instrument. This time I'll be adding a guitar instrument and do the same process when previewing and loading the sound. This time I'll go straight into the recording process. And that's how you can add other instruments into your forward drum loop beat. Start your musical journey now with BandLab.